While he's sleeping, I wake up, I'm a Connolly, and I do work and I draw. While everyone else is asleep, I sleep mostly during the day. I come alive at night. I did 208 birds, different birds, but that's some that were males and females, so I did a lot of drawings. I did the information for each bird. That's 208 birds. I didn't do I drew the mammals, but I'm going to leave them for a while because I did a lot of work. I'll keep working on it, but I'm going to get the colouring book, the bird colouring book, done first to get it done for Christmas. I have to, when I get the information typed out, I have to go over and check the mistakes and get it fixed and checked and done. So there's the information, and I have some of it typed. I'll have to check over that to see if there's any mistakes. I am dyslexic, I can't read or write. I use the iPad and Google to help me find out the information and write it for children, so children would understand. It's a children colouring book. Anyway, and there's a bit of information. I guess that, yeah. It's not bad. I have to get that. It's been sent in to get typed, and she said it'll be ready this week. So I'll hopefully get started and checking. I'll start checking. I'll do the index. I'm doing the index now. I'm going to do it now after I finish doing this. So. So, a lot of drawing. Anyway, thank you.